Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about Ansible Vault. Okay, then the first question is, what is Ansible Vault? It is used to store the sensitive data like passwords, API keys and credentials. It is important to keep the data safe by using an encryption mechanism. Ansible provides an Ansible Vault to encrypt the files and variables. After encrypting a file with this tool, we will only be able to execute, edit, or view its contents by providing a relevant password defined when we first encrypt the file. Okay, guys? So, what is Ansible Vault? Ansible Vault is used to store passwords, API keys, and credentials in an encrypted mechanism. We will create a Ansible Vault. Okay, we will use Ansible Vault to create an YML file in which we will store some credentials, passwords, and we will encrypt it. Okay. And after encrypting, we can only do two operations. What is that? Edit or view. Okay. By specifying the password which was defined at the time of encryption, we have to specify the password which we have specified at the time of encryption. Okay, guys. So let's start the examples. Okay, the first example is creating a encrypted file. We will create an encrypted file. Cancel the password, password, and we will then add all the credentials that is fine. And after that, if you use lesson what you add password.yaml, and if you want to edit, use Ansible edit password.yaml. And if you want to permanently decrypt that file, you use Ansible decrypt password.yaml. See, it all comes written. First we should create a encrypted file is create. We want to encrypt the Ansible file. If you want to deepen, if you want to edit Ansible file, you use edit command. Guys, okay, got it. Okay. After, if you want to permanently decrypt, you use okay. Now there is a next concept. Multiple vault password for multiple environments. Okay. Suppose I have three environments. I have a testing environment, I have a production environment, I have a dev. How we will do that? Okay. Then that's what create as an alt environment here at the red prompt credential and then we'll give a vault ID. We'll create a vault secret with a vault ID prod at the red prompt, and then this will be fine. Password credential. Okay. We have created multiple vault files, Ansible vault files, Ansible vault credential files with the vault IDs. Okay. And if you want to edit, edit with the same ID, then we just specify this file name and vault ID. Got it, guys? And if you want to use a password file, if you want to use a password file, then it's very simple. What you want to do, Ansible vault create vault Ansible vault alt password file. This is password file, password, and then you will file YML file which we have has all the credentials of the developer. And if you want to create a vault ID, then the vault ID evaluate part of that file with the YML file which has all the credentials. Okay, there are two options. Okay, if you want to use vault password file, then the part of the credential file, then the part of the password file, then the credential file. The credential file, YML file. Okay. And if we are not using Vault password, you can use Vault ID also Vault ID. Okay. Then after that, we have to select the password file part, the credential.ym. Okay guys, what all we did in this video? We discussed about what is Vault, Ansible Vault. It stores all the credential, API keys, and passwords. We have to firstly create and encrypt it. If we want to view, we can view it or we can edit it. Okay. And if you have multiple environments, we can use the concept of Vault IDs for multiple environment files. Okay. If you want a Vault ID for dev, Vault ID for prod, you can create Ansible Vault Ansible Vault, create Vault ID, then ID, then the credential.ym. And if you want to use a password file while creating, you can use Ansible Vault create Vault password file file path, then the path of the password, and after specifying the path of the password, we can specify the text for that. Guys, I hope you have understood the concept of Ansible Vault. It's a powerful tool. Most of the organizations use Ansible Vault for all their credentials, all their passwords. Okay guys, so let's meet up in the next video. I hope you liked the video. You have to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button for more interesting videos like this. Thank you guys. Let's meet up in the next video.